Hello everyone, this is Jay and it's Friday, which is my favorite day. On Fridays I make a deposit, I review my portfolio to see what's undervalued and have an idea of which purchases am I going to make today. And I kind of have an idea already. And there's one company that announced earnings that I want to review very quickly with you guys. All right, so stay tuned. All right, so let's go right into that dividend portfolio. Let's go right into the spreadsheet. So as you guys can see here, this is my portfolio. This is the spreadsheet that I use to track my portfolio, which is right now in the positive $185. I have not done anything to it. I have just bought. These were the buys that I made in the past week. I also made my $10 purchase of Apple with the challenge that I have with Jeremy right now. So I made that purchase on Tuesday, which it was awesome. And I added it in here also. So I'm at 1.6 shares right now. I can't wait to buy a little bit more on Monday, pretty much. Another $10. And that will be the last week of the challenge with Jeremy. Which it was definitely a nice, friendly challenge. I really, really appreciate it. But there's two companies that I want to be more bullish this week on them, and one was the one that I posted a video on yesterday, which it was ticker symbol O. Name of the company is Realty Income. Total shares that I have is 26.2 shares. Right now I'm in the negative still by almost 9%. I'm down $132 right now in my position. Market value $1,300, and total cost basis, that's with dividends reinvested, because I do have the drip turned on this company since I started my position. I have $1,518 into it. So this is one that I want to buy some more before it goes back up, especially right now at $52.82. That's the price that it closed yesterday, Thursday. So I definitely want to buy some more. There's another company that you guys have been mentioning in the comment section. I am late replying to comments, but I'm gonna focus on that today and tomorrow. So I'm gonna be replying back to all of your comments, and there's a couple comments that I really want to read, and I'm thinking on how to answer them. But they were very nice and interesting comments. All right, but this one right here, Realty Income, and then I want to review ADC. I think the name of the company is Agree Realty. So I want to take a look at that one also. So I'll probably do a review next week, since few of you hold it. But the next company that I really wanted to review today, it is Vici, ticker symbol VICI. I'm at 9.6 shares. I'm down only 1.5%, $4 only. The share price is at $29.70. I've been buying into it in the 20s, in the high 20s on this dip. I'm trying to be a little bit more bullish in the real estate sector before the interest rates start getting cut. These ones will give me income in the future. Hopefully, right? That's the plan for this portfolio, to give me income. I do have other holdings for dividend growth and anything like that. So, but Vici has a little bit of both. Vici has nice growth plus high yield at a 5.5% yield on cost that I have right now. So this one looks really, really good. And then let's go right into the updates tab. And Vici Properties FFO, they announced earnings, and their FFO of 72 cents beats by 9 cents. Revenue of $931.9 million beats by $10.77 million. So Vici continues to grow year over year. As you can see here, the revenue of $931 million plus 21% year to year. That looks really, really good. The AFFO 17% year over year to $570 million, and on a per share basis increased 8.8% year over year to 0.55 cents. So 55 cents right here. This company just continues to grow year over year. Let's take a quick look in stock analysis right here. As you can see, in the last 5 days, ticker symbol VICI, Vici Properties, they pretty much own multiple buildings in the Las Vegas Strip, right? Which is very, very popular. I don't think Las Vegas Strip or any business in the Las Vegas Strip is gonna go out of business anytime soon, right? What's your opinion on it? I really don't think the Las Vegas Strip is gonna go out of business anytime soon or lose their tourism. When I went there a couple months ago on a business trip for work, it was pretty full, and I went during the week. I think it was on like a Monday or Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. So it was pretty full. There was a lot of people. So that's one of the reasons that drive me to continue to invest in this company. And right now it is the time for me to continue to buy more. So right here in the last 5 days, it is up 0.92%. In the last month, is down 3.79%. In the last year, down almost 12% right here, as you can see. And then in the last 5 years, it is up 39% in share price. So this is a REIT that is performing good in share price. So it has some share price appreciation, which is nice. I wish I would have bought right here in 2020 at $16 a share. Wow, nice. $15 a share. That would have been really, really nice, right? Sorry about that. Market cap for this company, $30 billion. Their dividend right now, it is $1.66 per share per year. 5.59% dividend yield if you pick up any shares right now at $29.70, which is very close to my cost. The analysts are calling this a buy. The 52-week range, right, is $26.63 of 52-week low, and then $34.34 of a 52-week high right there. So let's take a look at the financials, but we're gonna go into Seeking Alpha. And as I've said before, as I've explained before, you go into Seeking Alpha, go into the financials tab, income statement, then scroll down until you see the FFO information right here, because that's what we use for real estate companies. And as you can see, in December of 2021, $1 billion in FFO. 2022, $1.1 billion in FFO. And then it pretty much like year to date, this is what it says right here, $2.3 billion. And then as you can see, the FFO payout ratio, 74% in 2021, 106% in 2022, but right now it is at an estimated 64% FFO payout ratio, which it looks really, really nice actually. The AFFO, as you can see right here, they don't have the year to date right now, but it was the one that I just announced in the right here, which increased 17% actually. So it increased to $570 million year over year. Yeah, so I think if I'm not mistaken, it increased $570 million was the FFO again, from this right here, from $1.6 billion. So, and if you can see, in December of 2021, they had an AFFO of $1 billion, $1.047 billion. They went up to 1.6, so then another $500 million, so around $2 billion in AFFO, which it looks really, really good. And if you see right here, the FFO per share, they went from $1.80 FFO per share in 2021 to $1.30 in 2022, and then now to $2.39 and estimated in 2023. I can't wait until they put the actual numbers in here on the tab. So we're going to come back to this one and definitely review it again. But if you can see right here, let's take a look at the forecast for this company. The analysts are calling this a consensus buy. The lowest price that they estimate in the next 12 months is $30, which is going to be pretty much 1 cent above what is going to open today on Friday, because pre-market is already up almost 1%. To $29.99. So I gotta buy as soon as the market opens, it looks like. The average $34.67, so that will give me some upside also. This will be an upside of 16% pretty much. And then the high, $41 a share, which is a 38% upside right there from the share price that is at today. So that will be really, really nice. As you can see, the dividends, the dividend growth in the last year, 7.33%. So definitely some nice dividend growth right there. Their ex-dividend date passed already. It was in December. But they pay again in March. This is gonna be one that is gonna pay me in March. That I can't wait for that March dividend. Definitely, it's gonna feel really, really good. And if we want to take a look, let's take a look at their 5-year growth CAGR in their dividends right here in Seeking Alpha. Let's take a look, and if we see their 5-year growth rate for dividends, 10%. Dividend growth 5 years since it was pretty much IPO'd into the market. So the dividend yield right now 5.60%. That 10% definitely looks really, really good, and it feels really, really good. So I really like this company because of the higher yield at over 5% plus their dividend growth rate, which it is really, really nice. As you can see right here, they give it a B plus. Since they had a 7.33% in the last year, and if you see in the last 6 years, in the last 3 years, 8.66% 3-year CAGR also. So this one have some very nice dividend growth. This company right here, they do pay quarterly, they don't pay monthly, and definitely do your research. But it's definitely one of my favorite ones, and I'm happy I added into it. So it's definitely one of my favorite real estate holdings right there. I'm at 9.6 shares right now, so I'm going to be buying a little bit more this week. I think this week is going to be a little bit boring. I'm going to be buying my $5 of Visa, which it went up, as you can see right here, $283. So right now, when I started my position, $270 something dollars. It definitely looks cheap now. So so definitely I'm glad I started my position in Visa. This one definitely has been running up in price. I'm up already in performance by 3.99%. I have $29 that I want to deploy to it. So I'll probably deploy it next week. I'm going to buy like $5 today, and then probably on Monday when I buy my $10 of Apple of my last week of challenge with Jeremy, I'm probably going to deploy that $20. I want to put it to work. And I want to grow that position a little bit faster, actually, in Visa, because they have great dividend growth. As you know, I'm sure some of you hold Visa. Definitely. What's your opinion on Visa? Anyone that have not commented before, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll reply back. But this one definitely has been running up in price, $283. I cannot believe it. And I'm adding at all-time highs. Will the market crash in a month or so? You know, like some people are saying, I don't know, maybe, you know, some people are expecting the market to crash soon, maybe later in the year. But I don't go by any of that. I just stay consistent every Friday, deposit money, deploy it into my holdings, into anything that I see. I do enjoy buying my stock, so I don't have it automatic, like I said before. There was another subscriber that also enjoyed. I'm sorry I forgot your username, but I'll mention it in the next video. But we definitely like to buy on a weekly basis, and we enjoy making the purchases. So this is one that I want to continue growing, the Visa position. And hopefully, and also KVUE. Actually, I wanna buy some more KVUE. I didn't buy any last week. This is another company that I want to continue adding to it, especially right now at $19.19. I think the other day it was even lower, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a quick look at KVUE. KVUE. Let's take a look at the share price in the last 5 days. Yeah, look, on February 20th, it was around $18. So in the last week, it went down to like $18. So I should have bought some more right there, but it's okay. I'm okay to wait on Friday. I'm planning on holding this company long term, so I'm not looking for the price right now. As you can see, pre-market is already down to 19.15, so maybe by the time I buy, it's down to like around $18 and something cents, maybe, or closer to the $19 flat. So this is a company, the analysts are calling this a buy also. This company right here, dividend yield for this company, if you pick up any shares right now, is 4.17%, 80 cents per share per year. So you get 20 cents pretty much per quarter, which is nice. It's really nice. Their ex-dividend date was on February 13, and I think when do they pay? February 28th. So this is gonna be my last payment for the month, actually. My last dividend payment for the month. If we go into my yearly income in February, in February of 2023, I made $7.70. This month, I already made or surpassed that already. And if I'm not mistaken, by more than double. And I have not received that dividend yet. So I cannot sacrifice having a lower dividend payment in January of 2024 than January of 2023. But February or March are gonna be very, very nice, and that's what I'm looking forward to. So definitely, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me in the comment section what have you been buying as of lately. I really would like to know so I can continue reviewing some more stocks. Definitely. SPGI is one that has taken a small dip, so it's probably given some opportunity to continue buying some more. That's a really good company also, which I have reviewed in this channel before. But what else have you guys been buying so I can make some more reviews? I have a few videos that I need to make that I have mentioned to you guys in the comment section I will make. So I have them there, which I should be making hopefully in the next week or so. So I'll be working on that. And maybe I'll do one of the subscribers commented that I should probably add how much I have saved up for the computer that I want to buy. So I want to buy me a laptop, hopefully this year, so I can also then invest in a newer microphone and a camera. So I make so the videos are a little bit better also. And maybe I could do some lives and talk to you guys and answer your questions. And maybe I can talk to you live, which it will be better actually. So you could put me in the spot with any questions that you have. All right, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one on Sunday. Stay tuned. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.